Good morning, Ruby class. I hope you're having a fantastic Easter holidays. Can't wait to see you all on Microsoft Teams next week. I'm going to pop an email to mums and dads with the times of our online classes later on. In the meantime, I've got a challenge for you. How can you make a paperclip float on water? Okay, it's not magic. It's science, okay? And as you can see here, I've got a ruby coloured paperclip floating on a glass of water. I'm not going to tell you how to do it now, but what I do want you to do is to try it and see if you can work out why it is floating on the water. Message me in the Microsoft Teams chat, share it with your friends, and next week we'll do the science bit and see if anyone got it right. So here we go. Here is a normal glass, okay, normal glass of water with a paperclip floating on the top. I don't know if you can see that with the sunshine. And just to show you that it is a normal glass of water, lovely fresh water for a healthy breakfast. Look forward to hearing your views and ideas on this. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.